and Exports Promotions Authority kyassibwawo nga kiruubirira okutumbula eby'enfuna by'eggwanga emirundi 10 mu myaka 15 egijja. Hezi Kimoni alina akulira ekitongole kino agamba waliwo ebibangiriza ebisoba 43 ebyokwongera okuyamba Uganda okuvuganya ku katale k'ensi yonna nga biyita mu kutumbula ebyamaguzi ebitundibwa ebweru wa Uganda.
Into so many classifications, but for the purposes of Uganda, we talk about public free zones and private free zones. Now, for the private free zones, currently the country has 43 licensed and operational free zones, 43 in number. For the public free zones, we have one under development. It's nearing completion. It's about 90%, 85% completion, certified work at Entebbe International Airport. This is a plug and play export processing zone where goods from that area will be going one way out of the country.
Patrick Mugisha nga Commissioner w'okukulaakulanya Business Ministry y'ebyobusuubuzi n'obwegassi annyonnyodde engeri eby'enfuna by'eggwanga bwe biyinza okuyitimukamu nga biyita mu kwongera okutondawo ebibangirizi bya bannamakolero eby'enjawulo okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna.
What you're really trying to put in place, number one is we're going to try to offer a platform to support them with BDS. That's business development support. Because you really need to be able to be supported to transition from one level to the other. Then you're looking at also key strategic aspects, like, for example, if these are firms, for example, in the manufacturing sector and the informal, if you support them with product certification, by default, they are going to go legal and they're going to transition into the formal space.
Mugisha agamba ministry neeruubirira obugazi bwa katale obwenkanankana n'obuwumbi bwa dola za America obusoba mu 5 we gunaatuukira omwaka gwa 2040.
So demystify that bit. They shouldn't look at regulators as policemen, right? So some of them fear us. They fear regulators. Someone hears UNBS is in the neighborhood, you close the shop. UR is in the neighborhood, you run away. But we want to take compliance to the next level. Let it be a good thing. So civic education is critical, and that's what basically we can use that platform to help them be engaged.
Omukibira nga muwabuzi mu by'abamusiga nsimbi agamba baneekolera gyange ku mitendera egy'enjawulo balina okwongera amaanyi mu kwongera omutindo ku bye bakola balyoke bavuganye butereevu mu katale k'ensi yonna. Ezra Suluma nga mukungu mu minisitule y'ebyenfuna aliko okuwabula kwawadde ku ngeri eby'enfuna by'eggwanga bwe biyinza okusitukamu.
Planning is good, but it's not enough in my opinion. We have to go deeper. And in my opinion, in microeconomics, we look at how a single company manages its business, how it manages its supplies, how it manages its packaging, how it manages its capital, and all calculates to the smallest detail, and this is how it manages to survive. This we call it economics of the farm.
Aneti Nakaibale yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Racket TV amalindirire.